Okay, this is a new product called the all-access model AA1 FS. The FS stands for float switch. It's a combination clean-out device and float switch all in one unit. The float switch is contained inside of the device and the wires are sealed, so in other words you can't pull up on the float switch and destroy the wires. Everything is inside, enclosed inside the device. The device is UL listed and tested to 508, meets all codes, and it is the same reliable float switch that I've used in my products in the past. Anyway, to give you a look, when you walk up to the unit, you're able to just simply open up the cover and take a look inside and see the float switch. Now you can see if the float is raised, if there's a clogged line, you'll see exactly what's going on right when you open the cover. To remove the float switch, it's simple. You just lift up on the wire, pull out the float switch. Now you're looking right into the device. So now you can do anything you want to do with the device. You can pour in cleaners, you can clean out either direction, anything you want to do. But I'm going to show you how it looks inside of the drain line right now. So the device can be installed in the primary drain line. It can come straight out of the unit and come off to the side if you'd like this, or you can come right off of the unit and come off to the side like this, and now you would be completely inside the drain line. You want to get as close to the air handler drain pan as possible. Once you're inside now, you can simply open up the cover. You walk up to the unit, you open up the cover, you can see exactly what's going on inside the device, inside the drain line, whether it's clogged, whether everything's flowing smoothly. Now, if I'd like, I could just lift up, pull out the float switch. Now the float switch sits inside of the bracket, which has a C-clip. Now if I'd like, I can lower down the switch to one of 3 different levels to make it more sensitive if I'd like. But it comes in a standard position where it's meant to sense any clog in the drain line. So it normally sits like this, in here, and you close the cover and you're all set. So what I'm going to do now is show you how I can clean out the drain line by removing this switch. I simply lift up on the switch, pull it out, get it out of my way. The device comes with this adapter. This adapter allows me to go right inside the device, and now what I can do is I can vacuum out, I can blow out, I can flush out the line in this direction, and I could also do it in this direction. I could vacuum out the pan, anything I want to do. We also sell 2 fittings. They're called AA tools. One is for water hose and one is for nitrogen, CO2, or compressed air. So now if I want to blow out the unit, of course I probably wouldn't blow into it, but I can blow it out using any method I want. This is an airtight seal. I could also use this fitting. This fitting screws right onto my garden hose sprayer. And now if I could get a water hose in, it's really ideal because now this is a watertight seal. I could go ahead and flush out the line if I'd like. So these 2 tools come in handy. They work on 3/4 inch drain lines as well as the adapter, and it's a great value. The contractor can hold that tool, so he can use it on any job he wants. Now also, once you take this out, now you can do anything you want here. If you want to add drain line cleaner, if your customer wants to add drain line cleaner or a pan tablet, they can. When you're done, you simply put back the switch, put the wire right inside the side of the device, and you close it and you're done. We also include Velcro strips. One could sit here on the adapter and the other can sit here. You could leave this device here, the adapter, or you could leave it onto the unit or take it with you. Anything you want to do, you can do with that. Now, another nice feature is if you want to use this device on the secondary outlet, you can do that as well. It comes with this threaded adapter, so I thread it into the secondary outlet. I put my device on here, or if I'd like, I can also bring it off to the side. But I put the device here. The package comes with this plug as well. So now I have a sensor on the secondary outlet. So even if I get a clog in the primary drain, I sense everything right here. And of course at this position here, what I would do is lower that flow switch all the way down to make it most sensitive. And that handles that. So you got a switch here and a clean out device that works in any position you want. So one package, you have everything you need to do the job. Also, if you have to put the device up in an attic or in a garage and you have a fear that it might be sweating, we sell this. It's AA1 FS for insulation, and this insulation fits right onto the device here and will insulate the device and keep it from sweating. So everything you need is included in this one package. We also include a warning label, which is required by code in a lot of places, and this can be affixed right to the unit, and it's a warning to the homeowner to let them know what's inside the drain system. Anyway, again, the device comes in a package. It's all access model AA1 FS, and it contains everything you need to have a clean out and a float switch protection all in one. And that's it. Again, it should be available at your local distributor, and thank you for listening.